Valparaiso University provides a virtual private network, or VPN. This tool establishes a secure connection through an otherwise insecure or untrusted network, and extends certain protected network features of the local network to remote or mobile devices. You should only need to install the software once. Thereafter, just launch SonicWall and click Connect after verifying your credentials are correct. To get started, go to vpn.valpo.edu and log in with your ValpoNet credentials. Keep the domain as Valpo. On the next screen, click on the center button for Net Extender. A dialog box will pop up asking if you want to install SonicWall software from the App Store. Click Yes. This will open a web page where you can download the SonicWall Mobile Connect from the App Store. Click on the button labeled View in Mac App Store and install the software. Click Install in the upper right corner. My screen says Open in this place since it is already installed. Once the software installs, click on the icon to open the software. You will find it in the Launchpad. When it opens, double-click the drop-down for Add Connection. Enter Valpo for the username and vpn.valpo.edu for the server, then click Next. The menu will expand and ask for your username and password. Be sure to use your ValpoNet credentials, then click Save. This concludes the setup portion. To use the VPN going forward, simply open the SonicWall Mobile Connect app and choose Valpo as your connection and then connect. When your session is complete, always be sure to click Disconnect. Thank you for spending just a little bit of time with us today.